Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 30 and let me share with you how to set actually the camera timeout on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. So the icon which is connected to the timer is here, so it's on the second position from the left, but if you want to, you can unroll the stop bar and the timer will be also on the second position. And here you can see that currently the timer is off. We've got this clock icon crossed out, and we can set either 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping, this option will be immediately marked, immediately highlighted. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, your device will count down from 10, and after that time, it will simply take a photo. So this is basically how the countdown works. Okay, and as you can see, the photo has been taken, so we can change it also without the need to unroll this bar. Just tap on this timer icon. As you can see right now, it is turned off. After tapping on it again, we've got the 3 seconds delay, so the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. After tapping on it again, we can set 10 seconds, and again we can turn it off. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your MOTOROLA Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.